Welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you probably want a quick and reliable way to log in to your TurboTax account, either through a browser or the TurboTax app. In this 2025 full guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can sign in without any confusion. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share some quick troubleshooting and security tips you don't want to miss. Let's jump right in. First, if you're using a web browser, open the most up-to-date version of your preferred browser. This is important for both security and compatibility. In the address bar, type turbotax.intuit.com and press Enter. Once you're on the TurboTax homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll be taken to the login page. Here's where you enter your username or email address linked to your TurboTax account, and then your password. Remember, TurboTax passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check that your caps lock key isn't on. Once everything looks correct, click the blue Sign In button. If you're signing in through the TurboTax mobile app, the steps are almost identical. Open the app, tap on Sign In right from the welcome screen, enter your login details, and then confirm with the Sign In button. Now, let's quickly cover what to do if things don't go smoothly. If you've forgotten your password, don't panic. Just click the Forgot Password link on the Sign In page. You'll then get instructions sent to your registered email to reset your password securely. And here's an important security reminder. If you're on a public or shared computer, always log out after you're done. This helps keep your personal financial information safe. That's it. Logging into TurboTax, whether on a browser or the app, is super straightforward once you know the steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. And if you still run into issues signing in, drop your question in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.